GFI Cloud is an IT management solution that simplifies how you manage, monitor, and secure your network, even laptops on the move, from one unified platform. Simply log in to the secure GFI Cloud console from any web browser. The centralized console helps you take charge of your distributed network with antivirus, patch management, web protection, monitoring, asset tracking, and integrated remote support. The dashboard instantly alerts you to issues such as quarantined files and missing patch updates, prioritized by severity. From the network screen, you have an overview of the health of all your monitored devices. Quickly drill down to device level to get more detailed information. Monitoring in GFI Cloud keeps all your computers operating at peak efficiency, enabling you to spot and address potential issues before they impact operations or your users even notice. GFI Cloud's antivirus service gives you real-time protection against viruses, spyware, and more without hogging system resources. GFI Cloud Patch Management ensures all your software is up to date, secure, and running at peak performance for both Microsoft and third-party applications. Use antivirus and patch management alongside GFI Cloud's latest service, Web Protection, to get more complete control over network security. Web Protection secures your computers, even roaming laptops from websites pushing malware, phishing sites, and more. Stay on top of bandwidth usage with real-time dashboards offering drill down to computers consuming most bandwidth. Asset and inventory tracking comes free in GFI Cloud, giving you remote visibility of detailed hardware and software information on all your monitored devices. With GFI Cloud, you can catch issues early and fix them fast, and be in control of IT security with safe web browsing, antivirus and malware protection, and up-to-date security and performance patches. Find out how easily GFI Cloud can put you in control of your IT environment. Sign up today for a free 30-day trial. Try it today. You'll be up and running in minutes.